In this video, we're going to show you just how easy it is to quickly find accurate information in your administrator panel using the label field. As you can see, even when I have my signed document report filtered to only show equipment inspections involving excavators, there's a long list of forms that have been filled out in my account recently. So in order to find the exact inspections I'm looking for, I could go through these forms one by one and read them all, find the ones I need. But the faster option is to put the serial number of the excavator being inspected in the label field so that I can search for it. As you can see, the top form on my list is for excavator number 210132. But the equipment I'm looking for is actually number 210123. So I'm going to type that into the search bar and hit enter. And quickly I have all three inspections that have been done in the last couple of months specifically for that piece of equipment. Let's take a look at how easy it is to set up this feature. Inside your form builder, you'll notice that a select number of your form items have the option to use them as your label field. On the right-hand side of these items, you'll see a checkbox. Simply select this checkbox to use that item as your label. From this point on, any data entered into that form item will be automatically filled into the label field as well. If you're using a form item as your label, it means that you can make that item mandatory, which means that your label field will never be blank again. Simply select the asterisk on the left-hand side of the item in question to make sure that your workers cannot finish a form without filling in your label item. If the asterisk turns red, that means that that item is now mandatory. If you don't want to use any of your form items as a label, simply leave the checkboxes blank and you will see a fillable short answer question at the top of each of your forms that you can use as a label. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to set up your label field in your form builder. Now let's take a look at what it looks like from our application. Here you can see the SiteDocs web application. First, let's take a look at a form where I haven't yet selected a label field item. I'm going to open a new form for my aerial lifts, and you can see at the top of my form that I have a short answer fillable question for my label field where I can type anything I like. However, if we look at my excavator inspection, we'll see that that label field is not visible. And that's because earlier we selected our vehicle ID number as our label field. So if I continue to fill out this form, fill in my worker name, my vehicle ID number, my make and model, and so on, I can finish this form, and once I do, that label field will automatically be filled in with the vehicle ID number I chose. Now that it's signed, I can go back to my signed document report, refresh the page, and I'll see that I have a new excavator inspection with the label field filled in with the equipment ID that I chose. And that's all there is to it. Now you can see just how easy it is to quickly find accurate information in your SiteDocs account using your label field. If you have any questions about this feature or anything else to do with our program, please reach out to our amazing support team at support@sitedocs.com.